Welcome, Internet Wanderers, to Acula at the Cinemas, with me, Dr. Acula. Tonight we look at a spooky new horror film from the people who made Paranormal Activity. The film is Dark Skies, and it's rated PG-13. The scares in this film don't come from shaky handheld cameras, but rather from mysterious and strange happenings that haunt an average American family. The twist: this haunting isn't coming from ghosts, but aliens! Blah! Greys from another world that lurk in the dark and strike when you least suspect. They could be behind you right now! I give this February horror film 3.5 bats. Subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you in your dreams!